Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all files from the current directory or folder on Linux. I'm running Ubuntu, but the rm command we're going to use to delete files is available on many other types of Linux operating systems. I'm going to use the cd command repeatedly to change directory to my Mongo log folder. Now I'm going to run the ls command to output all of the files in that directory. So we're going to delete all of these files. I'm going to use the rm command, which is an abbreviation of one word, remove. And I'm going to use the star, which in this case is going to be used as a wildcard character, and it will select all of the files. You can specify a specific file name you want to delete, but I've just ran the delete command on all of them. Now, as you can see, I also ran the ls command, and none of those files are no longer available because they have been removed with the rm star command. Now, the rm command by itself does not remove folders or hidden files. So to remove folders, you also need to specify the rf flag. Here I use file name, but it should actually be a folder name, or you can simply use the star character. Now, the rf here does not stand for remove folder. It stands for recursive and force. And what it all comes down to is you force remove folders and files recursively. And remember, whatever you do, do not run rf in your home directory. It's going to start deleting every single file in your root directory. Now, the rm command also has a bunch of other flags. You can find out what they are by typing rm-help. The rf flag is actually a combination of two flags, which is f for forcing to remove the file or directory, and r for doing it recursively. A lot of people confuse it with remove folder, but that's not what it stands for. You can also use the full name of the flag, such as --force or --recursive, to the same effect. Now, if you want to delete, let's say, 5 files, but you want to keep one, and the fastest way to do that would be to add the I flag to your rm command. This will prompt you every time, asking you if you actually want to delete that file. You can also use -I to prompt once before removing more than 3 files, or when removing recursively. And basically, it's just less intrusive than -i. I read that directly from the help file, but basically what that means is if you have like hundreds and hundreds of files, if you use -I, it's not going to ask you too many times to delete every single file. You're going to see the message a lot less often. You can also use the no preserve root flag, which, as it says here, do not treat the root folders specially. One of the use cases for this is removing everything from a hard drive. Again, do not use anything like this in your home directory on your Linux operating system, which would remove all files in home directory. We already talked about the R flag, which is for removing directories and their contents recursively. Now, the next one is the -D, which is for removing empty directories, which can be useful sometimes. Using the V flag, every time this file is deleted, it's actually going to output to the console that it has been deleted, or any other.
If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.